If you have a collection of cured resin overflow from your resin art, why not die cut it for other projects? Just use a heat gun to warm it by passing it backwards and forwards for about 10 to 15 seconds so it softens. It should be nice and pliable, like this. Then position the part you want to cut out onto a steel ruled die with the right side facing down. This rounds the cut edge nicely, so you don't have to sand it later on. Now place one of the acrylic plates on the bed of a big shot. Place the die and resin in the middle and carefully place the second plate on top so you don't move the resin. Push the sandwich into the machine and turn the handles slowly to draw the plates through. If your resin sheet is about 1 mm thick, there shouldn't be too much resistance. Once you're all the way through, remove both the plates and the excess resin, and hopefully your die cuts will just pop out. But sometimes that doesn't happen and you'll need to pry them out. Try using a needle tool to get under the edge of one of the petals, and once it's free, gently lift them out. If you'd like to turn your resin die cuts into earrings like these, head on over to my blog to check out how to do it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified of new videos. Thanks for watching.